Hey guys, welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Jasmin Queen, and I'm here to show you how with some crazy substitutions, you can make a classic dessert that will have your friends and family saying, I can't believe it. That's because today we're making black bean brownies. Just wait, they're amazing. Ingles has everything we need and we're ready to roll. Let's get started. All right, we have everything here we need to make some delicious black bean brownies. We're gonna start with black beans. I have these washed and drained. They're gonna go into a blender. If you have a food processor, that would also work. We're just wanting something that can really chop these beans because no one's gonna know they're in here if we get them blended just right. So we have black beans, some oats, and I like to use the quick oats, some vanilla. Ooh, we're gonna sweeten it with some yummy honey. We also have pure maple syrup, a little bit of vegetable oil, salt, and baking powder. All right, we're gonna blend this for just a few minutes. We wanna make sure that we get everything mixed in really good because we don't want the texture of the black beans to take over our brownies. So let's see if we can get this mixed together. That's looking good and mixed, so now I'm gonna incorporate the cocoa powder. I have some Laura Lynn, just plain cocoa powder here. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of that. Pour it in there. All right, and then we will mix it some more. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna take this and pour it into a greased 8x8 pan. We want it to look just like brownie batter, which this does. Yum. This is seriously my favorite dessert. I can trick my kid with this one. She doesn't know there's beans in it because it tastes so good. It's a great substitute for actual sugary brownies. Once you have that in the pan, you're gonna get a half a cup of chocolate morsels. You can use dark chocolate, you can use semi-sweet. I like to use milk chocolate because to me that tastes a little bit more like brownies. This is not a step that you want to skip. Don't think that you can skip this part and be, less calories and still taste good. That will not work. You have to have the chocolate chips in here. All right, we're gonna pop this in the oven. I have it set at 350. We're gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna get this one in and then I'm gonna show you what the finished product is gonna look like. So that one is still baking, but here is a finished product. No one will ever know there are beans in these brownies. Just a great dessert to share with your family. I want to thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure to check out the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.